In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can screen record here on an iPhone in 2026. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now start off on the home screen of your iPhone, iPad, whatever device you might be using, and just swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. If you have a home button, swipe up from the bottom instead, and this will open up your control center. Now if you don't see the screen recording icon yet, what you're going to want to do is just tap and hold in any open space. In the control center itself, it's going to kind of highlight all these and then hit add a control, and then essentially just search for screen record just like so. Select screen record, and then it's going to add it for you, but I actually have two of these, so what I'm going to do is delete one of them just like so. But essentially go ahead and place this somewhere on here for you, and you can make it way bigger if you want. It really is up to you, but essentially have it on there, then tap the open space again to get rid of that. And to actually screen record, all you need to do is tap on this, and it's going to do a 3-second countdown. 3, 2, 1, and then of course there's going to be a little red dot indicating that you are now currently screen recording. Whenever you're done screen recording, like I'll just swipe left and then swipe right a few times, right? You just simply click on that button again and then hit the stop button, and boom, just like so, it's going to save to your photos. So I can go ahead and open up those photos right now, go to the very bottom, and boom, we have that screen recording right here. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before we do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.